So NCRT, first I will take up this lines one, exercise 6.1. Anyone has any doubt in any of the question? 6.1.
The sixth question. I'm not able to get the diagram.
The fifth question. I didn't
Okay.
understand.
So fifth.
Okay, wait, let me
So
write.
for
So question number exercise. Exercise 6.1. Fourth question, then fifth question, then
sixth question.
sixth question. 1, 2 done, everyone? 1, 2, 3. Who has done everything?
Sir, I have done everything.
Okay, you have done everything. Good. So fourth question, what it says? Let's first draw the diagram. Fourth question. Srinidhi, you come.
Yes, sir.
This is AB. A and B. This is C. This is D. So x plus y is goes to x first, right? X. This is x. This is y. This is z. And this is w. It's given that x plus y equals to w plus z. So prove that AOB is a line. So you have this is AOB. AOB is a line. AOB is a line. So yes, tell me Shinidhi how you did.
So x plus y plus w plus z is equal to 360 degree because
Yes.
it's a complete angle.
So x plus y plus w plus z is equals to 360 degree. Then
Since x plus y is equal to w plus z, we can write it as x plus y is equal to
yes,
360 degree.
yes, very good. 360 degree.
So 2x plus y is equal to 360 degree. X plus y is equal to 180 degree.
180 degree. Correct.
So now since the sum of angles is equal to 180 degree, AOB is a straight line.
Got it? Others? Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Now fifth question. Fifth question. Anybody else apart from Shindi who has done this? Nidhi?
I have a doubt in it.
Let me first write the question. P, Q, R, then S, then O. So POQ is in the figure. POQ is a line. Okay. OR is perpendicular, so it is given perpendicular. That means 90 degree. OR is perpendicular to line PQ. OS is another ray. OS is another ray lying between ray OP and OR. Okay. Now what you have to prove? To prove ROS equals to half of angle QOS minus angle POS. So ROS, this angle, is equals to half of QOS minus POS. Yes. Anybody else apart from Srinidhi who has done this? No. Okay. Srinidhi, go ahead.
So first angle QOS we can write it as
Angle QOS equals to
QOR plus ROS.
angle QOR plus angle ROS.
That is 90 plus angle ROS.
90 plus angle ROS.
Now angle POS we can write it as angle POR minus angle ROS.
Angle POS, you can write it as
Angle POR
POR and write it as angle POS plus
plus angle ROS.
ROS.
So POS is equal to POR minus ROS. So that will get 90 minus ROS.
Wait. Yeah. Now tell me, you have written POR is equals to POS plus ROS. Now,
Now angle POS is equal to angle POR minus angle ROS.
okay, let me see the diagram. Wait.
Sir,
Angle P.
can you repeat what you did, sir? Because I was current got cut. I'm coming with a different device
You
now.
see what we are doing it. First you see. POS is equals to
Angle POR minus angle ROS.
POR minus angle ROS. Yes.
Equal to 90 minus angle ROS.
POR angle POS is equals to 90 minus angle ROS. Yes.
So now we can substitute the values of angle QoS and angle POS in the proving thing. Angle ROS is equal to
Angle ROS equals to
half into
angle ROS. This is angle ROS equals to what you are telling?
half into the question is there, right? Half into QoS, angle QoS minus POS. 90 plus angle ROS.
So wait. So you are telling half of QoS minus POS. So what you have done, QoS you have done, QoS is 90, this one take care. Now POR you have done POS plus ROS, correct? POS you have done POS, you have done POR minus ROS, correct? POS is 90 minus this one. Now tell me ROS. This you have to prove it.
Yes, sir. Now, in the half into angle QoS minus POS, we can substitute QoS and POS. That is half into 90 plus angle ROS minus of
90
minus
minus
angle ROS.
ROS.
So now 90 will get cancelled.
So it is half of angle ROS plus angle
ROS.
ROS, which is 2
And 2 ROS.
Angle half into 2 angle ROS, which gets cancelled, right?
Yes, sir.
ROS
LH is equal to RHS.
So anybody else? Anyway, wait. So what she did, QoS, can we write it as QOR? See, first what you have to see, all the three things all the terms should be either in ROS form, QoS form, or POS form, correct? So she started with QoS, QOR plus ROS. Can we write this angle as 90 plus this angle, QoS angle, correct? Now POR is POS plus ROS. Now POS is equals to POR minus ROS. No, you guys are not understanding. No? See what I am telling. Q first, I'll start it from here. One by one, you tell me. If you're not understanding, please let me know. QoS is equals to QOR plus ROS, which is 90 plus, this is 90. So can we replace QOR as 90 and ROS as it is? Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Now, POR, POS plus ROS. We can write like that.
Yes, sir. But why are we finding angle POR, sir?
To prove it, we have to prove it, na?
Yes, sir.
This POR consists of what? POS consists of POS, na? So we'll get that POS. So POS is what? How can you write this POS? How can you write POS? Can you write POR minus ROS? This
Yes, sir.
POR, or we say this POS. Can we write as POR minus ROS? This statement.
Yes, sir.
Now POS, POR we know 90 degree. 90 minus ROS. This is POS. Correct? Now ROS. ROS is equals to this. You have to prove. We have got it. You got POS. You got QoS. From 1 and 2. You got POS and you got QoS. Replace the value. You got POS. You got QoS in terms of ROS.
Sir.
This was your objective, na? ROS, you have to find it out. So what she did, she changed QoS in terms of ROS. She changed POS in terms of ROS, and now she replaced. Is it clear?
Sir, can you please explain that POS, why POS and POR is equal to respective, sir?
POS and POR are respective. I didn't get your question.
No. Like POR is equal to POS plus ROS. POS is equal to POR minus ROS. Like how is that? Can you again once again last time?
No, you explain me. This I will not explain. You explain me. If POR is equals to POS plus ROS, then POS will be equals to
Yeah, POS will equal to POR minus ROS. Yeah. Okay.
So what's
I
your
got it.
question now? Tell me.
Yes, I got it now.
Anybody else has any doubt in this question? Please write it. Please write it. Giving you a minute time. Please write this. Hello. Done?
Yes, sir.
Everyone done?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir. Can I go with the sixth question now?
Yes, sir.
So sixth question. Tarun.
So I only asked this question, but I was
That's why
not able to
that's why I'm calling you. That's why I'm calling you. Let's do it together. This question.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So question say it is given that xyz is equals to 64 degree and xy is produced to point P. So
So that's what I want to understand. Like XY is
see
produced to point P.
produced to point P means extended to point P. If I say xy is this line and xyz is 64 degree. 64 degree. And xy is produced to point P. Xy is produced to point P. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Draw a figure from the given information. If ray YQ bisects angle ZYP, this YQ bisects angle ZYP. Bisects means what? This
Like divides it
angle
into half.
equals to this
This
angle.
angle. Yes, sir.
Find XYP. Find XYP and reflex angle QYP. Now tell me.
Sir, XYP will be like 180 degree because it's a straight line.
Yes.
And
Tell
now
me.
we know, then
If
now
these two are angles are
XX, so that will become 2x equal to 180.
2x plus 64 degree equals to
180.
180. 2x is equals to
180 minus 64.
x is equals to
116 by 2.
value
58.
58. So this angle is 58. This angle is
58.
58. Now what they have asked you, find XYP. XYP. What will be the angle XYP?
So
That
it
is
is 180.
XYQ, sorry, XYQ. What is the angle?
So 58
Angle
plus 60
XYQ is equals to 64 plus
plus 58.
58, which is nothing but
100, 122.
126, 812, 122. ठीक है? Now
Yes, sir.
reflex angle QYP. Angle QYP.
That is
Reflex
given.
angle QYP. What will be the reflex angle QYP? Tell me, Tarun.
So it will be 58 only.
Reflex angle QYP.
So it will be 180 minus 58.
Reflex angle QYP.
Sir, can I say?
No. Tarun, reflex angle QYP. Everyone is waiting for your answer, Tarun. Everyone raise your hand, those who know. Tarun, we are waiting for your answer. So many people. Tarun,
Yes, sir.
कहाँ चले गए? Tell me the answer. What is reflex angle, Tarun?
So I forgot a definition.
Forgot the definition. What I used to tell 2 times he has done. Vidyut, so 25 times you have to send me.
Okay,
Check your
sir.
notes. What is reflex angle? And tell to everyone. Hope you have written it. Or you have not written also. Yes, Vaibhavi. Reflex angle.
Sir, a
reflex angle is such an angle which is more than a straight angle but less than a complete angle.
Means more than 180 degree and less than 360 degree.
360 degree.
So what is the value here? Reflex angle XYP?
Sir, it is.
You have
Sir,
raised
here,
your hand.
yes, sir. Sir, here it is 302 degree.
It will be
302.
302. How? Tell me. How?
So we have
300.
already found out angle XYQ.
Hmm.
That is 122 degree.
XYQ. Yeah, means this. First you tell this will be the angle. Reflex angle is this angle, right?
Yes, sir.
Because this is more than 180 and less than 360. Now this angle consists of this 58, 64 and this 180 degree. 68, 64 plus 58 plus 180. Tarun, did you get it?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
25 times. 25 times. Okay.
Sir,
Yes,
sir,
tell
I
me.
just did it. I did it like directly 360 minus 58. I got this answer. Is that right? Is it okay?
Yes, that is okay. But write it. You have to write what is reflex angle. Reflex angle QYP equals to angle QYZ plus angle ZYX plus angle XYP. So you have to substitute the value and give it that give the answer. Understood? The writing part is this way, guys. I am not writing those steps and all everything. You know how to write it. QY angle QYP reflex angle QYP is equals to angle QYZ, angle ZYX and angle XYP, and then you have to replace the value. Correct? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Should I write this? How to write?
Sir, I wrote for all the other problems only this one since like I wrote fast. I forgot.
So reflex angle QYP is equals to angle. What is this? Angle QYZ plus angle ZYX plus angle XYP. Therefore, QYP already you have found QYZ. QYZ is 58 degree. ZYX 64 degree and angle XY is 180 degree. Therefore, 302 degree. Is it clear? Writing part very important.
Yes,
Writing
sir.
part is very important. Please write it properly. Done.
Yes, sir.
Now I'm giving you a question.
Sir, in 5.3, I have doubts.
5 point.
5.3, 5.2, and 5.1, sir. Some doubts I have.
Acha, that one, na previous one, that I'll take it. First, let me get advanced, and then that is actually theory part. I will take one all questions and get it solved. Okay. So let's get into this lines parallel. Maybe tomorrow I'll take that part, so that you get some knowledge about this. Question. I'm giving you a question in figure. Let me draw a figure first. P X Q. R, Y, S, N. In the figure, PQ is parallel to, this is the sign of parallel. PQ is parallel to RS. Angle MXQ equals to 135 degree. Angle MYR equals to 40 degree. Find the value of angle XMY. You all know parallel lines, intersecting lines, what all angles are equal and all corresponding or alternate angle interior angles, correct?
Sir,
Tell me.
sir, like the parallel lines are straight, right?
PQ and RS are parallel lines, so that's a line, straight line. Don't go on my drawing. It's a parallel line, straight line.
Sir, is it 85 degrees?
Wait. If you have the answer, let's see. Others also should come. Just raise your hand, those who have got the answer. Please raise your hand. Then I will get back. Yes, then I will now. Tarun, tell me your answer.
85 degrees.
85 degrees. Anybody has any different answer? You can tell me. You can unmute yourself and tell me your different answer. So everyone has 85 degrees. Yes, tell me, Tarun, how you did. So 85 is the correct answer. 85 degrees is the correct answer. Let's, Tarun, tell me what to do and how to do.
Sir, over I knew that angle MYR is 40 degrees.
Take me. MYR is 40 degree, huh? Okay.
Okay, and if we take the line RS, it is like, so this MYR will be 40 and the other side, it will be 180 minus 40. So it will be 140 degrees.
140. Okay.
And now if we take angle.
Tarun, your voice has gone. You unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Tell me. Tell me.
So you can hear me now?
I can hear you now.
So we know like angle MXQ is 135.
MXQ is 135, yes.
So now we need to find over this. x and y. So we have got 140, 135. So now if we take this can be whole 360, and if we add
Hey,
this,
just hold on a second. You are telling this is 135, this
140.
is 140. So this angle will be?
So,
Tarun. Tarun.
hello, sir.
Yes, tell me, Tarun.
So like we can add 135 plus 140 and subtract it by 360.
Why 360? Why? Reason?
Sir, reflex angle.
Reflex angle. How?
Sir, over here we are already having 140 and 135.
140, 135. So this angle is reflex. How? That is what I want to know. Your answer is correct, but how? Why this reflex angle and why this one?
So thought like that and subtracted by 360 and I got the answer.
कैसे? वही तो पूछ रहा हूँ कैसे? How 360? Why 360 minus? Which one is reflex angle? Reflex angle is x, y, x, m, y. This is reflex angle. How you have to find this angle?
So but I subtracted by 360 like that.
But this is reflex angle, right? This is reflex angle.
So I can't.
This is reflex angle.
Yes, sir.
We have to find this angle.
So like if we see that point, you said will be like 360 and will minus with
देखने से
that.
नहीं होता है तरुण. If we see like that no. Initially I told you everything needs a proof. As you go in a court and they ask proof now of everything. Here also proof. Why? Your answer is correct, but the procedure is different. And then I will give to Lohit. Yes, Lohit.
Sir, I'm not sure with my answer.
Mm-hmm.
So, like, suppose when we draw a line, like, in between, like, x and y, if you draw a line.
Okay, you're telling to draw a line like
No,
this.
not there, sir.
Then,
In angle M, if you draw a line, straight line. Yes, sir. Yeah, there, from there.
here, as like this.
Towards the right, sir.
Towards
Not
the
from
right.
there. Yeah, from there. Yeah.
Okay.
If you draw like that, then y m and you can name that line as x. I mean the line as q.
Z.
Yeah,
Like
Z.
Y, M, Z.
Yeah, so 140 is so because of collinear. It should be supplementary. So
Why this and this angle supplementary?
yes, sir.
Why?
Because of the co-interior angle.
Is this line parallel to this line?
Yes, sir.
So then you have to tell, na, draw a line parallel to RS. Draw
Okay.
a line parallel to RS.
Yes,
So MZ is a line parallel to RS, right?
Yes,
Then
sir.
it will be collinear.
Yes, sir.
I mean, sorry, not collinear. Then it will be interior angle.
Yes,
So
sir.
this will become 40, right?
Yes, sir. And
Now-
then if you do 135 and XMZ, it will become 45.
45.
So 45 plus 40 is equal to 85.
Yes, this is 85.
Yes, sir. So so we can get XMY as 85.
That's correct. That's correct. So what we were supposed to do, there is a construction. You have to tell, draw a line parallel to RS passing through M. So this will be a line parallel to RS and passing through M. Correct? So this line is parallel to this line. So all three are parallel to each other. Now this is a transverse. This is a transverse, right? Everyone please respond. Otherwise, Kaushal, you come online.
Yes, sir.
Kaushal, you come online.
Yes, sir.
This PQ is parallel to MZ because we have drawn a line parallel to RS.
Yes.
Correct?
Yes.
So now this is a transverse.
Yes.
So this is 135. So this angle will be
It will be 135 minus 180.
180 minus what?
Yeah,
180
180
minus 135 because it's a co-interior angle, right?
So
Kaushal.
yes, sir.
Now, since this is MZ is parallel to RS, so can we write this angle plus this angle is 180 degree? Because co-interior angle.
Yes, sir.
So this is 140, 180 minus 140 is 40. So X and Y is what? 45 plus 40, 85.
80.
Can you guys write it very neatly? Solution of this? Or I will write it here. You can copy.
Sir, can you once more tell like how you got it 40, sir?
Have you drawn the diagram?
Yes, sir.
Send me the diagram.
So even I didn't draw it very neat, simple and bad.
I'm also bad in drawing diagram.
So could you explain that sum again? My internet went.
I'm doing it. That's the same sum. I'm doing it again.
Yes, thank you.
By the time, Srinidhi.
Yes,
Srinidhi,
sir.
can you start with 6.2 quickly?
Yes, sir.
Yes. This is 40. This is 135. Just hold on a second. Yes. So draw a line. Draw a line parallel to RS. So AB is parallel to RS and RS is again parallel to, and AB is parallel to RS and AB is parallel to PQ. Correct? Now what we have to write it? This is parallel, so XM. So AB's angle QXM, angle QXM, or we can write it XM is transverse to parallel line PQ and AB. So angle QXM plus angle XMB equals to 180 degree. Why? Co-interior angle. You have to write it properly. Co-interior angle. I'm just writing short form. Correct? Now, QXM is 135 degree plus angle XMB equals to 180 degree. Angle XMB equals to 180 degree minus 135 degree. Angle XMB equals to what? 45. Now AB is, since AB is parallel to RS and school, just write it as Z. MZ is transverse to AB and RS. Therefore, angle BMZ plus angle BMZ plus angle MZS equals to 180 degree. Now BMZ is what? BMZ. What is this? Okay. BMZ is, you have to find BMZ plus MZS is what? 40 degree. Correct? Same now. Let me see the figure. MZS MZS we have to find it, right? Sorry.
So 140.
So we have to find it. That is 140, but let's write it like this. MZS is equals to 180. But MZS plus what is the next angle? MZS plus MZR, na? MZR equals to 180 degree collinear pair. So you can find the value of MZS. Correct? Now replace the value of MZS. You can find the value of BMZ. MZS you have got 140 degree. So now angle BMZ plus angle MZS equals to 180 degree core interior angle. Can you find BMZ? This is 40. This is 45. So angle XMZ is equals to angle XMB and angle BMZ. 45 plus 40 is equals to 85. Is it clear now how to write?
Yes, sir.
So one step I am little doubt, sir. Can you
Which step, Vidyut?
yes, sir, like XM. Sir, like this one QXM plus after that, sir, like how are we getting angle BMZ plus MZS is equal to 180, sir? Can you show that?
Vidyut, this is 40 degree. Vidyut,
Yeah.
yes,
Yeah.
tell me yes quickly.
Yeah.
This is 40 degree.
Yeah.
This angle will be 140 degree.
140, yeah.
Correct? This
Yeah.
line is parallel to this line.
Yeah.
This line is transverse.
Yeah.
So this angle plus this angle will be what?
180.
So if this is 140, this will be what?
40. Yeah.
Then where is the doubt?
No, sir, like what reasoning we can give only?
Co-interior angles. Na? This is
Co-interior.
co-interior angles. I have written this one here, co-interior angle.
Yes, sir.
Next question. Next question, you do it. If a transverse intersects two lines such that, okay, let me open the question for you or write it question here. Wait. Can you see the question? Guys, can you see the question?
Yes, sir.
Can you do it?
So the figure is not there.
I'm just changing question for you. That I will do. That question I will do it for you. You do this question. This is related to the one which we have discussed now. This question, can you see? I'll just plot it. Can you see this question? Quickly do this question.
So what should we do?
This question, solve this question.
Sir, I did it.
This one you did?
So I did it.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So that's from exercise 6.2.
6.2.
This is one the first one.
Yes, 6.2 first one. You have done 6.2 exercise?
Yes,
So
sir.
only first one.
Only first one. So you do the second. Others, please do.
Sir, I did till the second one.
Do these two. Third one. First, second, third. First one, how many of you have done? Please raise your hand. First one. Others, please finish first one. Any problem in first one, please raise your hand. Those who have problem and still not able to do. Raise your hand if you are not able to do the first one. Arinjay, you didn't understand this one first?
No, sir, I understood. I have a doubt. How do I prove that AB is parallel to
Okay,
C?
ठीक है, okay. So AB is parallel to, here it is telling that AB is parallel to CD. We have to prove it. So in
Yes, sir.
proving AB parallel to CD, if you prove that this interior angles are, sum of this is 180 degree. That means converse is true. If two lines, let's suppose this is not a parallel line and this is a transverse, if you prove that this plus this is 180 degree, then that means these two lines are parallel to each other.
Yes, yes, sir. So x is equal to 130.
X is equals to 130 and this is equals to 50.
50.
So 130 plus 50 is 180. So these two lines are parallel.
Okay, fine. Thanks, sir.
Second question.
Sir.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, the first question, please can you repeat, sir? I have current cut, so I could not.
You solve it. Vidyut, why it happens every time you are asking the same thing and you know it? This is the third time you are doing this.
No, sir. Sir, current cut, sir. What
No, I'm not talking about current. I'm talking about this question. Current is okay. That is not in you. I'm talking about this question. What is there you have not understood? Tell me. 2 times we have done.
No, I understood it.
What you are telling, Vidyut?
Say, I understood.
So you say first, I have not understood. Vidyut, you come online.
Sir.
Tell me, in this question, what you have not understood?
No, sir, like, no, I understood.
The question was, Arinjay asked how to prove that AB is parallel to CD. I said, if you prove that the co-interior angles, the sum of the co-interiors angle is 180 degree, then we say CD is parallel to AB.
Yeah. Yes, okay, sir. Thank you. So I got the first answer.
Sir, can you zoom the second one?
Okay. Second one done?
No, sir.
Others?
Yes, sir.
Who I accept Vidyut, anybody who has not completed second one?
Sir, me also.
Okay.
Sir, me also.
Okay. Should I solve second one?
No, sir. Please, can you wait for 3 minutes, sir?
Srinidhi?
Yes, sir.
How many questions you did in 6.2?
I'm in the fourth question.
Fourth question, okay.
Sir, sir, in the second question, do we have to also find the value of z, or it's okay if we find it with only y and then we can find x?
We find all three.
All three.
Second one done? Everyone has done?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Second question, anyone who couldn't do it, please let me
So
know.
So can you please tell the values of everything, sir? If you don't mind? Did I
You tell me
complete
your
it?
values. You tell me your
Yes,
values.
yes, sir. Sir, y is equal to 60,
X is equals to
120.
120.
Z is equal to 120.
So this y is equals to y.
Yeah.
Then what you did?
Yeah, and then I did like co-interior angles, right? This y, yeah, 180. So 60 plus z is equal to 180.
Yeah, just one thing. Y plus z is 180. Then
Yeah, so y is 60, right?
y is
60.
where it is written 60.
No, sir. I found y as 60, sir.
How?
Sir, so sir, I found it like, you see, 3. We can take y. Y is 3, right? 3x. So 3x is equal to 180.
3x
X
is
equal
equals
to
to 3x is equal to 180. What you are telling with you?
no, wait. 3x plus 7x is equal to 180.
Y plus z is equals to 3 is to 7. So if y
3x
is 3x, z is equals to 7x. So 3x plus 7x is equals to 180. So 10x is equals to 180. X is equals to 18.
18. So yeah, sorry, sir. I made the mistake.
Then y is
Yeah,
equals to what? Y angle is?
y
X
is
means
equal to 54 degrees.
y is equals to
54 degree.
3 into 18 degree
18.
is
54.
54 degree. Z
is equal to 126 degree.
18 126 degree, and this
then
x is equals to
180 minus 54.
180 minus
54.
54.
That is also 126 degree.
To 120 you said.
126. Yes, sir. I had made the mistake. I did not write like x plus y, x plus z, y plus z is equal to 180. I did not do that. So I got
all
it.
the answers were wrong here. This is the answer, correct answer for others. Y 54, x 126, z 126.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Understood?
So these are from 6.2, right?
These are from 6.2. Only 6 questions are there. Remaining you do as homework. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Let's end the session now. And 6.2 as homework you do.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
Sir,
you.
will we get the science papers today?
No, that ma'am will tell. I don't
Okay,
know.
sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
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 Thank you, sir.